Welcome to our video on how to reply to a message on Telegram chat. Telegram is a popular messaging app that allows you to communicate with friends and family easily. In this updated tutorial, we will show you the simple steps to reply to a message on Telegram. First, open Telegram on your Android device. Make sure you have the app installed and logged into your account. Once you're in the app, navigate to the conversation that includes the message you want to reply to. Next, swipe left on the message you want to reply to. This will reveal a few options, including the option to reply. Tap on the reply button to start composing your response. Now, write your answer beneath the text of the original message. You can type out your response as you would with any other message. Take your time to craft the perfect reply before sending it out. Finally, tap the send arrow icon to send your reply. This will post your response in the chat thread directly below the original message. Your contact will be able to see your reply and continue the conversation from there. And there you have it. That's how you reply to a message on Telegram chat. It's a simple process that allows you to engage with your contacts easily. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you are now able to reply to messages on Telegram with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting on Telegram.